My name's Steve Denbow, and I am the production manager for Beckwood, and I've been here for 8 years. I believe that safety is everyone's responsibility, so we really rely on all the employees to identify safety issues and bring them to the appropriate people's attention and address them as they're brought up. We send our shop guys through a safety skills training online, and then we have a safety committee meeting that meets once a month, and they go over safety topics, if there were safety issues identified in the shop, and then we also do a safety audit on the different areas in the shop. I started as entry-level machine technician and worked my way up to production manager, and I've tried to instill that into the guys that work for me now. In doing that, we've built a lot of trust and very good relationships to where if Beckwood needs something, they know that my guys are going to come through and get it done. I think it's really hard not to be motivated. Just the uniqueness of the products we do, the ever constant changing days that we have, working on a small machine to building a large machine. There's always something different about every job. Shop guys pick topics they'd like to learn about, and we go out and we try to find experts on the particular topic. Our cross-training is not your typical cross-training. We have guys just switch from one department to another. You know, the guys want to learn more. They want to know more about what we do. They want to know all aspects of what we do. And then we also have a leadership development program that just a machine technician can come in and work his way up, and through a development program could eventually become a project lead or a cell lead.
I feel my role impacts the customer because I'm responsible for the scheduling of machines and keeping the machines on track. I'm also responsible for the guys that build the machines to the high standards that Beckwood is known for.